Let's now go to Guasha. Let's discuss diagnostic principles. The modern medicine has a criterion of identifying diseases, that is, clinical symptom. A patient will not be regarded as a patient for treatment unless the clinical symptom is shown. In fact, this is like mending the fold after the sheep is lost. And those people with potential health problems, if not in a state of attack, are still mistakenly regarded as being healthy. Many kinds of diseases with no symptoms in the early stage or in the latent period are easily overlooked, resulting in the delay of diagnosis and treatment. Once the clinical symptom crops up, the illness is already very serious. Therefore, early detection and diagnosis are very important for prevention and treatment of diseases. Scraping therapy of Chinese medicine plays the role of diagnosis ahead of time. Scraping therapy applies an entirely view of the Chinese medicine, which is to say, the human body itself is an organic integrity. Before the occurrence of illness, any slight change in the body can be reflected at the place corresponding to the acupoint of a related meridian. A scraping therapy can get hold of the information of a certain illness before it takes place and can diagnose the area of the illness within the body before the testing of modern medicine finds any abnormality. That is to say, any slight change within the body will cause the obstruction in the circulation of vital energy and blood in related meridians and acupoints, as well as some corresponding areas, whether or not the patient can feel it, and whether or not the result of biochemical or physical checkup is normal. So these small changes in the body can quickly be detected via various abnormal reactions, such as the appearance of shock or positive reaction. According to the rules of these reactions, one can discover subhealth status in related meridians and organs, find out the clues hidden in the early stage of illness, and make diagnosis of the area of the coming illness ahead of time. The scraping therapy is both diagnosis and treatment. In terms of the scraping therapy, the process of diagnosis is also the course of treatment. In the process of the scraping, the scraper can observe the color and form of shock and various abnormal reactions under the scraping plate to judge the patient's physical condition. The appearance of shock and the stimulation by scraping at designated area can both play an obvious role in treatment. Therefore, the course of diagnosis is simultaneously the process of treatment. Diagnosis ahead of time through scraping to predict illness can also suffer direction of early stage treatment. The appearance of SHA and health. SHA will appear at the corresponding area of the skin after the scraping is done. These SHA can be obviously different in shades of color, the form, the number, and the range. Different appearances of SHA reflect different physical status. Here, you can see the degree appearance of the SHA. In the dispersed SHA, the concrete appearance of SHA, the SHA dots can be light red or red, and that there may be SHA speckles without obvious protrusion. For health conditions, it can indicate good health, and the SHA dots will disappear soon. In the mild appearance of SHA, the appearance of one or a few light red or red SHA speckles of generally 1 to 2 centimeters in diameter without obvious protrusion. It indicates slight obstruction of microcirculation and the state of subhealth, but the patient cannot feel it. Next is the appearance of moderate SHA. The appearance of a few purplish red or bluish speckles of about 2 centimeters in diameter without obvious protrusion or with slight protrusion. It indicates medium obstruction of microcirculation of a quite long time and that the situation of subhealth or illness, sometimes with symptoms. For severe appearance of Sha, the appearance of dark blue and bluish black Sha speckles of more than 2 centimeters in diameter in the form of lumps or blue veins with obvious protrusion. This indicates serious obstruction of microcirculation of a long time and bad health with obvious illness and related symptoms. The reaction during scraping and health. In addition to different appearances of Sha after scraping, each person may have different manifestations in receiving the scraping. All this is closely associated with the help of time and the extent of its seriousness regarding the disorder of vital energy and blood in the body parts. This can help us judge the state of the patient's health and obtain information about certain illnesses. In the sense of touch, for muscle tension, the concrete manifestations is tense and the stiff muscle. The indications would be a blockage of vital energy and blood circulation, deficiency of oxygen in meridians, tissues or organs with functions weakened, with excess syndrome referring to a person whose body is intruded by exogenous pathogenic factors, resulting in the imbalance of functions of inner organs and accumulation of pathological substances within the body. In the concrete manifestations for loosened and flaccid muscle, the indication would be a blockage of vital energy and blood circulation, deficiency of oxygen in meridians, tissues or organs with functions weakened, with deficiency syndrome, referring to a person with a weakness of vital chi due to congenital deficiency or acquired malnutrition. The sense of touch with pain for concrete manifestations with aching pain, the indication would be a deficiency of oxygen due to the blockage of vital energy and the blood circulation in meridians, tissues, and organs. In the distending pain, for indications, deficiency of oxygen due to the blockage of vital energy in meridians, tissues, and organs. With stabbing pain, the indication would be the pathological changes are taking place due to long term stasis of vital energy and blood in meridians, tissues, and organs, but without symptoms at present. Now we go to the sense of touch, granular feeling. The concrete manifestations would be a feeling of granules without pain. The indication would be a pathological changes are taking place due to long-term stasis of vital energy and blood in meridians, tissues, and organs, but without symptoms at present. The feeling of granules when touched with the pain, the indication would be a deficiency of oxygen in meridians, tissues, or organs due to inflammation in certain areas or long-term stasis of vital energy and blood in meridians, tissues, and organs with slight symptoms at present. For the sense of touch, let's go to nodules. The concrete manifestations would be the nodules with pain. The indication would be a long-term stasis of vital energy and blood in meridians, tissues, and organs. The bigger and harder the nodules are, the more serious it is. There was inflammation in meridians, tissues, and organs, but without symptoms at present. For nodules without pain, the indication will be long-term stasis of vital energy and blood in meridians, tissues, and organs with symptoms at present. Thank you for your attention.